Okay, so I'm pretty sure I'm a silhouette because of the sun is like right there and it's morning, but my camera is precariously balanced in the back of my trunk. Anyways, we're gonna be doing a couple things today. I've been shooting a lot of film lately, mainly 35mm, but I have started to shoot medium format on my friend's Mamiya RB67. So I do have that with me and I'll probably be sharing some shots with that. I'm also gonna be doing the disposable camera challenge with Jade. She's in the car doing her own little vlog. If you guys wanna see that, I'll put a link to her in the description. But yeah, we're gonna be going downtown LA. There's just like this hidden swing we're gonna go to. Hopefully we find out a couple other places. We don't really have a plan as of now, but we're gonna figure it out and it should be a lot of fun. So let's go. So obviously I'm in the car now. Jade's here now.
Hi.
The whole idea is we both have the same camera. We're gonna be taking pictures of probably around the same stuff, but it's gonna be interesting to see how we both approach the same subjects with the same camera. So I think it'll be fun. What do you think, Jade?
Like, he's actually good at this. I just take pictures. Profound. Okay.
I also take pictures. So we're trying to leave, but there's a bee in the car. I don't really know how it got there.
There is a bee in the car.
It's a cute little guy.
Get out!
How cute he is.
Is he recording?
Yes.
Renegade.
That's enough. So in my camera bag, we've got the disposable camera, and then we've got the Mamiya RB67, and we've got the 5D Mark IV. So we're gonna get some pictures. So we're at the beach right now. Been here for a little while, but it's super overcast and also windy, which is why my hair is all messy. We're gonna take some more pictures. Jade, what happened?
I won big!
Hi, so I'm totally in the bathroom right now of my dorm. I'm currently developing the film that we shot today. I'm just warming up my Blix and my developer. So I think this is gonna be the end of the video. I don't really know what this video is. It's really weird, really random and all over the place. If you want to see more film related videos in the future, definitely be sure to let me know. I had a lot of fun shooting this stuff. It's been something I've been getting into a lot lately, but definitely something I want to make more videos on. If you guys want to see more, definitely leave a comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.